Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Mini Cooper key. Let's start with the basics. Your key fob allows you to remotely lock and unlock your Mini's doors with a simple press. A double press of the unlock button will conveniently open all windows and the sunroof. You can also remotely open the boot or tailgate, which is super handy for loading groceries. Don't forget, there's a hidden emergency key inside for manual entry if needed. Now, let's get your Mini's engine running. For many models, you'll insert the key fob into the designated slot on the dashboard. Then, simply press the Start/Stop button while keeping your foot on the brake pedal. Newer Mini Coopers often feature keyless entry and start, meaning you just need the fob inside the car to press the start button. Always ensure your vehicle recognizes the key for a smooth start. Your Mini Cooper key is smarter than you might think, offering some fantastic advanced features. It can personalize settings such as lighting preferences, seat positions, and mirror adjustments for individual drivers. This means your Mini remembers your preferences each time you use your specific key. Certain models even allow you to precondition the cabin temperature before you get in. Always consult your owner's manual for all the unique functionalities your key offers. To ensure your Mini Cooper key serves you well for years, a little care goes a long way. It's a good idea to replace the internal battery every 2 to 3 years to avoid unexpected issues. Try to keep your key away from strong magnetic fields and avoid dropping it or exposing it to water, as this can cause damage. Finally, always keep a spare key in a safe place. It's a lifesaver if your primary key is lost or damaged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.